Happy Halloween, you guys. Welcome to Angel the Analyst channel. And today, as I promised, we're going to be doing something real spooky. And this is what we're doing right here. This thing, octopus. This is a baby octopus. And today, for Halloween, we're going to be eating her. Now, I've had octopus before, but it was in a soup, like a seafood soup at a Korean store. But this is just a whole octopus that I cooked. I recorded some of the videos where I recorded some of the preppings that I did to cook it. So here she is, whole octopus. And we're gonna be eating her this Halloween. So I don't know. Okay. And I have some noodles, shrimp and onion flavored Korean noodles, and I have some shrimp fried rice, and I have some oysters. Now, I've never tried oysters before. This is going to be my first time trying oysters too. So, yeah, let's get it. And I'm going to be dipping her in this sauce. I don't know. All this stuff is not even in English, so I don't even know. It says shrimp satay or something. I don't know. Okay, I have 6 minutes to do this, you guys. So I'm not going to eat all this because YouTube is only giving me 6 minutes. So let's eat, and happy Halloween. Okay. That's the noodles. Here's the octopus. Ooh. When I first cooked it, it had like a fishy smell. But let me back. It had a fishy smell to it, but okay, it's pretty good. I'm gonna eat fast because, like I said, YouTube only gave me 6 minutes. This is the octopus. It's good too. Grilled her and some sweet soy sauce after I cooked it. Sunflower. After I cooked it, I grilled it in sweet soy sauce and green onion and white onion. Happy Halloween. Oh my God, I'm gonna bite the head for you guys before the video ends. Okay. YouTube is only giving me 8 minutes. I don't know why. So, I'm not gonna finish all this. These are onion and shrimp noodles. Okay, here's the head. I swear, y'all, when I was cleaning it, it looked like a full alien. Like, you cannot tell me an octopus ain't an alien. It looked like a full alien. These noodles are bombs. And I have oysters. So, this octopus is really good. And it's tender. Okay. A whole octopus leg with noodles. How y'all Halloween go? If you watch this video, let me know in the comments. Today, we just eating the octopus. You know, something crazy for this Halloween. Let me know how y'all's go. Okay. Video only got like 1 more minute. So I'm going to try oyster. And I'm going to end it. I just want to show y'all the octopus. The oyster, okay. That's what it is. Alright. The video finna end, y'all. I hope y'all, ew, that oyster is real seafood. I mean, fresh water, salt water, something. Okay. The video is finna end. Take one more bite for the octopus for y'all. Ew. Okay. Like I said, happy Halloween, you guys. I hope y'all enjoyed my video. Hopefully, I'll get longer ones. And yeah, subscribe and comment below. And I hope y'all have a blessed day. Ciao.